Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change appearance on Happy Color application. If you want to change your Happy Colors app's theme, then you can easily do it in a few simple steps. Tap open the Happy Color application from your app drawer and make sure that you're signed in. From the main homepage, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. In the settings menu, tap on General. Soon after you tap General, you will be able to come across the Appearance tab at the top. Simply tap on it and then you can choose from 3 appearance options. Select one of the options from your display and you will be able to see your appearance for your application change immediately. So that is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.